Hello student, in previous video we see the how to represent the board exam science paper of part first of class 10th. Today we see about how to represent the board question paper of science and technology part second. Okay, so we already discussed about the question paper format in previous video, so there is no need to again discuss on this topic. So today we directly how to represent your paper in board examination we see. Okay, so question first A is same MCQ type questions, that is choose the correct option and write its number for the following question. Okay, and same like the science and technology part first, because we know that the question paper format of science part first and second is same. Okay, so it is also having the first question A having 5 marks and B is also having 5 marks. So how to represent this paper? So when we are attending the question first A, so for this question you write the whole sentence firstly, and then you choose the correct answer and underline to the correct answer. So here a transfer of information from molecule of DNA to mRNA, it is called as the transcription. So transcription, it is the correct answer. So you write firstly this whole sentence. In the whole sentence you write the answer transcription and underline the word transcription. Second, body breaks up into several fragments and each fragment start to live as a new individual. This is type of reproduction. It is the fragmentation reproduction. Okay, fragmentation type of reproduction. So you also write whole sentence, then answer in the answer here, and you underline the word, word. Then incomplete combustion of fossil fuels lead to the formation of carbon monoxide. Okay, when the incomplete combustion of fuels is happen, that time carbon monoxide gas is released, and when complete combustion is happen, that time carbon dioxide. So in this question asks incomplete combustion, so answer is carbon monoxide. Then next is the spindle fiber start appearing from the stage of karyokinesis. So answer is metaphase. There are prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. These are the 4 phases of cell division. So spindle fiber start in the metaphase. Okay. Then salts which can use to supplement of calcium and iron are obtained from, that is the gluconic acid. Okay, so it is the answer. So then next is you means for question first you write the whole sentence, then in the empty space you write your answer and underline to the word. For question first B, you directly write answer, or you can also write question answer. Okay, firstly question and then answer. Here find odd one out: drying, salting, cooking, soaking with sugar. So answer is cooking. Write the correct correlation: annelida, earthworm, then platyhelminthes, that is the, we can write any one example of platyhelminthes like the planaria, liver flake and tapeworm. इन तीनों में से कौन सा भी एक लिख सकते हैं. Then state whether the true or false: tobacco containing substances cannot causes the cancer of mouth and lungs. It is the false, because tobacco containing substances causes cancer, okay, of mouth and lungs. Here cannot causes is given, so it is the false sentence. This statement is a false. Then write the function of testes. I am connecting link between the testes having 2 or 3 functions, so you write any one. I am connecting links between the reptilia and mammals. What is my name? Okay, so the name of this is the duck-bill platypus. Okay, duck-bill platypus, because it shows the some characters like reptiles and some shows the characteristics of mammals. Okay, then next is a question 2 is same. Here give the scientific reason. Here also 3 is given. Out of 3 you solve any 2. Each question carries 2 marks. Here also question means for question 2a there is no need to directly write the question and then answer. You can directly write the answer in question 2a, because you write properly question number, it is very very necessary. If you write the correct answer and your question number is wrong, then you got the 0 mark. So you always take care and always check your question number properly. Okay, for question 2b, if the complete the following chart, like this question is asked, that time you draw this table and then write your answer. Okay, then here is given distinguish between the aves and mammalia. Okay, mammalian. So इनके बीच में distinguish find करना है. So for distinguish between question, you draw the table and you write the comparative points between the two phylums, that is the aves and mammals. Okay, when we write the answer like the paragraph type, it is not effective and you got less mark as compare as your expectation, because for distinguish between, you draw table and write the comparative points, not different points. Okay, comparative points में उसको distinguish करो. Then you got means your representation is also good and your answer is very very means very very representative, and hence you got the well marks. Then question third, observe the given picture and write any two effects of disasters. So there is no need to draw the diagram because already picture is given. So which type of disaster is, you explain this artificial or it is naturally, and then you write its effects also. Okay, so you write 3 or 4 effects minimum. Then explain 4 ways to minimize stress. Okay, so you can means here answer to minimize stress is already given in your book, but this question this answer is very short. So you write firstly that how to minimize stress, their headings from book, and you explain with your own language. Okay, own language में explain करो ताकि आपको ज़्यादा मार्क मिले. Then complete the following conceptual picture. So for this question, you draw the table and you fill this empty blocks also. Then question 3, for question 3 as also 8 questions are given. Out of it, you solve any 3 questions, any 5 questions, and each question having 3 marks. So here explain the importance of anatomical evidence with example. Okay, so this is the first chapter. Okay, for this chapter, the anatomical evidence given is very short, like the only half lines of 5 or 10 is given. So you know about the anatomical evidence is very well. So you also use some sentence from the book and you explain that sentence in your own language. Don't write limited answer, you expand the answer for this. Okay, then question second is given, what will you do and why. Okay, child of your neighbor is addicted to tobacco chewing. So here like the how to counsel. Okay, how to counseling to that particular person to avoid they are doing the bad things in their life. So how they avoid, you give some suggestion to how to suggest to him or her or that particular person. So you write the systematic language, your language must be well for that. Sometimes they'll only write I will show the video to that particular person, but which कौन सी video, what message you got from that video, then how to counseling, how to talking, how to means how to inform their family about their bad things. Okay, so you write well, means your language is must, and you write answer point wise. Okay, not like paragraph. Then second, what precautions are necessary for proper decomposition of domestic waste. Okay, so this answer is also very very easy, but you also write the here also more points, at least 7 or 8 points, or in each proper sequence. Okay, then because we already learn about the domestic waste means different type of waste in day-to-day life, and how to means decomposition, it is the very very important. Okay, because when the decomposition of domestic waste is not happen that time on earth, all lot of waste is increases and it causes a bad effect to human life also and other animals and plants also. So what precaution we had to take, you also write more points of this. Then observe the following diagram and write the answer. There is also not have need to draw the diagram because depends on this diagram some questions are asked, so no need for to draw the diagram. You directly write the answer A, B, C like that. So here A is given to which phylum does the animal induced in the diagram belongs. ये जो diagram में जो पिक्चर में जो दिख रहा है आपको वो कौन से फाइलम से आता है? द आंसर इज द आर्थ्रोपोडा. ओके, व्हाट इज द एक्सोस्केलेटन मेड अप ऑफ? एक्सोस्केलेटन इसके बहुत सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑलरेडी गिवन इन द बुक, सो यू एक्सप्लेन दिस. Then what is its symmetry? This symmetry is a bilateral symmetry. We see already the different types of symmetry, that is the asymmetric symmetry, radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. So this cockroach, this is the diagram of cockroach, it comes under the bilateral symmetry. Then fifth is explain the following concept in short, that is the surrogacy, in vitro fertilization and sperm bank. These all are very simple, but you explain firstly their definition. What is surrogacy meaning, what is the meaning of in vitro fertilization and what is the sperm bank, and after that you explain. Okay, means you explain in your words, but the definition must be in scientific words. This is already given in the book. You don't write definition in your word. Okay, you write definition in the book language and explanation is in your own language. Okay, so here one diagram is given and to give the name of this diagram. So for this question you draw firstly diagram and after that you give the name. Then make this is the mouth, lungs, heart. This is the different organs of human being. So you give the name of these parts of the body. Then next questions, seventh is make a table based on the forms of energy and corresponding devices. Okay, so means electric energy, mechanical energy, thermal energy, solar energy. These all are the different forms of energy, and depends on that energy we are using the different devices in day-to-day life. So you give here examples like the electric energy. On electrical energy, number of devices we are using the electrical iron, electric fan, refrigerators. Okay, these all are the devices we are using on the base of electric energy. Then mechanical energy, sewing machine, bicycle is given. For thermal energy, what are the examples of thermal energy? That is the thermal power plant is based on thermal energy. Then coal it is also based on thermal energy. And solar cooker and solar heater, it is the well-known examples of solar energies. We are using the solar energies for in these devices. So you complete that table. So you firstly draw the table and then write their forms of energy and devices. Then here the complete the paragraph using the proper words. आपने देखा in previous video we see the part first, science part first representation of paper. So in this having the paragraph is given and depends on that paragraph some questions are asked. So that time there is no need to write the paragraph, but here the filling the blanks are given. Okay, so when the question asks the filling the blanks, that time you write the whole paragraph. Okay, and in the dash place you write the correct answer. Here already options are given, that is the mechanical, rhizobium, aquatic, toxic, CO2, nitrogen, pseudomonas, amoeba, bacteria, hydrocarbons. These all are the options are given. So you write these options in the correct options in their correct place and underline to that word. Okay, here given the spilling of petroleum oil occurs in ocean due to the various reason. This oil may prove fatal and toxic to the aquatic organism. So here the answer is aquatic. So you write the aquatic and underline to this aquatic word. Okay, so like that you solve this question. And then question 4, here also 2 questions is given. Out of 2 you solve any one question. Each question carries 5 marks. So मीन्स वन आपको एक ही क्वेश्चन अटेंड करना है, उसको 5 मार्क्स से. हियर गिवन अटेम्प्ट द वेरियस लेवल्स ऑफ परफॉर्मिंग द कंजर्विंग एनवायरमेंट. ओके, मीन्स वी सी द our role of our own role of to the environment. So is given how to prevent the means environment pollution also, or how to conserve the environment by preventing the cutting of plants. Okay, how to control, we are using the bicycle instead of motorbike, because it required fossil fuels, and bicycle is not required fossil fuels. We can using the bicycle, it is we can also control this. Production means we are doing a lot of tree plantation. Okay, then awareness means we are giving the information of importance of environment to human life also, and other animals and plants also to the other people. Then conservation, how to conserve, we know that there are different and different species in the environment become endangered, so we are conserving in situ or ex situ conservations. Okay, means they are living in the particular area, we are conserving them to on that particular area, and some it requires some special environment, so we are conserving that species of plants and animals in that specific area. So this is also conservation. So you write at least uh, five points of each, like the prevention, control, production, awareness, and conservation. Or sometimes instead of first question you solve the question number second, you have option here. So here also, what is biotechnology? So biotechnology is the special branch of biology. Okay, so give one use, one commercial use to bacterial examples of biofertilizers, then write two names of crops genetically developed. Okay, so you have already one chapter depends on biotechnology. So this is a very easy to us. We already learned the introduction to biotechnology chapter in class 9th also, and in class 10 also having this chapter. So you write the answer of this question is very well. So thank you for watching my video, and please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Sharda Survasi. So thank you.